Hello, everyone. I am Rachel from mercifulmornings.com, and on this channel, you will find the education, encouragement, and support that you need for online teaching and daily life. Today, we're in the classroom. We're actually in Zoom. I've got Zoom open because I want to show you specifically for online teachers, especially on Outschool, how to create a private class listing. Sometimes you need this if you are doing one-on-one tutoring, if you are arranging a specific class with a specific student. Creating a private listing allows you to make it so that no one else can see the listing, but you can create that time and date for that class, and then you share the link with the student that it's for. So this is also convenient if you are just getting started and you want to practice your class before you get in there with any other students. This allows you to be the host. You create a private section and you can share the link either with a fellow teacher who can get in there and work with you through using Zoom, or if you just want to get in with nobody else in the classroom and get used to all the Zoom features, nobody else can see that class is available or sign up for it. It's just yours. You get in there and do what you need to do, and then you're done. So it's a nice feature to know about. It's nice to know how to do it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to share my screen, hopefully. Here we go. And this is my, let me see if I can make myself a little bigger. Hello. All right, I am in my teaching platform on Outschool. I've logged in. It's got my schedule pulled up here. I'm going to go to classes, and it's going to pull up the classes that I have available eventually. And so here are some of the classes I have available for students, and I have open sections for most of these. This one, I don't have any available sections right now, so I'm just going to go into this class, creative writing class, just one time. And so I am going to come down here. I could view the class listing if I wanted to, and that's where I would go to get a shareable link for the class. But I want to add a section. So I'm going to come down here and add a section. And it'll open up all the things that I need to schedule that. Now, it doesn't have public or private selected yet because I haven't picked my date and time yet. So that's the first thing I want to do. All right, so I am going to add a meeting time. Let's say I want this to be, they've picked a date for me, but I can click the little calendar here and it'll give me the full calendar. I can come back up, it's still July, so maybe I want this to be for tomorrow. I'm going to practice tomorrow in my class, or I'm going to have somebody join me for a class tomorrow. And now schedule, pick the time. You can click all through this, AM, PM, be sure you pick if you want AM or PM. So I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so it says here, it shows me so that I don't mess it up. Monday, July 20th, 9 AM to 9:30, because it knows how long my class is supposed to be. It's a 30-minute class, and I am in Central Time Zone, so it makes sure I know exactly. So I'm going to save that meeting time. Now it's going to come up here and it'll show public or private is available. Only people with the link can see and enroll in this if it's private. And because it's bright blue, that's what it's selected. I'll go ahead and click it, make sure. But yes, this is a private section. So what that means is I want to come back down to my class summary. It automatically saves this. So that is scheduled. That is done. Class summary, I can add more sections there if I want to. But you should be able, you'll see, oh, there it is, and it says private next to it. Now, if this were a public section that was bookable by everyone, then that would pop up. So what I want to do now is I'm going to come to this section. I'm going to click it. Here it comes. I have 0 students enrolled, 0 withdrawn. So what I want to do is come to my classroom. This is where you start the meeting. Whenever you are ready to get into this class, whether it's time for you to meet your student that has this private class, or you're ready to go in and practice, you're going to click Start Live Meeting. And that is what starts your Zoom session for you. Now, for this, you can go in and share the link for this class with whoever needs it. This is where the recordings, it'll show this is where the recording would pop up when your class is over. Now, if it's just you, You're not going to have that, right? All right. What the other thing I want you to notice, two things. One, you can edit the class here. If I needed to make it public, I could do that. I want to make sure it's private though for what I'm doing. But here is the section link. People with this link can enroll in this section directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link and then share it with whoever needs it. I can put it in an email, in a message, however it is that you need to share it. So that is how you create your private section, how you share the link for your private section. So hopefully that is helpful for you as you are making these types of classes. Be sure to check the next video. Let me stop sharing my screen here. I am going to also do another video on how to transfer students to a different section and how to either give a discount or refund the full amount if you need to do that for a student. I know these are kind of hiccups for you teachers sometimes, so we want to make sure we know how to do it within the system. So that's it for today. Quick and easy. You know how to make a private class now. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, be sure to like it. Be sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you are always notified when these videos come live and you don't miss any important information. And remember, there is always hope. So choose joy. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.